Top 10 Must-Try Food in Japan. From savory to sweet, the flavors in Japanese cuisine are diverse and frequently combined in creative and surprising ways. Trying various types of Japanese cuisine can introduce you to new and exciting flavor profiles. We know eating healthy is a bit hard to switch up your diet, but Japanese food is healthy food that you will always want to eat. Definitely enjoying a delicious meal and getting nutrients at the same time. They are very precise with their fresh ingredients and their cooking methods like boiling, grilling, and steaming. Food is one of the most important parts of their culture because trying different Japanese meals helps understand the people and the country better. Preparing their meal is also considered an art, and you can learn about the traditions and history that go into Japanese cooking and into each dish. Japanese food is very accessible almost anywhere, so you can taste Japan wherever you are. But of course, it is a whole different experience on the mainland. Prepare yourself because aside from their famous sushi and ramen, there will undoubtedly be other dishes that you will want to try. Fugu. This traditional Japanese delicacy is one of the most dangerous foods in the world. Yes, you heard that right. A pufferfish's meat may cause paralysis and death if it's consumed in large amounts. The toxin is capable of causing this because its tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin, is 100 times more powerful than cyanide. Chefs must undergo extensive training and obtain a special license from the Japanese government to prepare fugu. The cleaning process is just as usual for other kinds of fish, but for this one, the poisonous parts are removed, which is why a special license is required to do this. You can try fugu in many different ways, like deep frying, grilling, simmering in a hot pot, or even on a sashimi. A lot of Japanese food lovers admire its delicate, chewy texture and slightly sweet flavor. Even though the meal is a bit risky to consume, a lot of travelers still try the famous meal, and it is in high demand in the country. Truly a unique culinary experience. Uni. Uni is a delicacy in Japan made by sea urchins with their edible gonads or roe. The taste is usually described as slightly nutty, sweet, and briny with a creamy, soft texture like custard or butter. Just like any other Japanese food, it is served fresh as sashimi or sushi, and it is considered a luxury item because of its limited availability and high price. This particular meal is served at high-end restaurants, specifically those that specialize in seafood. The reason why it is also expensive is that it is harvested only in cold waters around the world, like Japan, Chile, and California. The edible roe is pulled out of the spiny shells and carefully cleaned before being shipped to markets or restaurants. Uni is actually a nutritious and healthy food because it contains omega-3 fatty acids and is high in protein. It is low in calories, has anti-cancer properties, and is anti-inflammatory. Mochi. I'm sure this is very familiar to you already. A sticky, chewy dough made from glutinous pounded rice with a pillowy and soft texture is used in both savory and sweet foods. We all know that it is served as a dessert snack with flavorings of red bean paste, sugar, and matcha powder in sweet snacks. And to add a distinct flavor and texture, it is also used for savory meals like stews or soups. Globally, mochi is known as a wrap for ice cream because of its creamy and chewy texture. Even though you can eat it whenever you want, it is believed to be consumed during special occasions as a sign of luck. As it has gained a lot of attention because of its uniqueness, the famous dessert can also be found in other parts of Asia. Natto. Fermented soybeans are a traditional Japanese food called natto, which has a slimy texture and pungent odor. It is made by steaming soybeans and fermenting them with a special bacteria called Bacillus subtilis natto. The degraded soybeans caused by the enzyme produced by this bacteria are the reason for their stringy substance, which is sticky like the texture of melted cheese. The country typically eats it for breakfast together with mustard, soy sauce, chopped scallions, and rice. Did you know why Japanese food is almost always aesthetically pleasing? Food harmony, or washoku, is the presentation of food that is as important as the taste of the food. To create balance of flavors, colors, and textures, the ingredients are arranged to be as minimalist as possible. Not only is this food oddly delicious, but it also has health benefits like lowering the risk of heart disease and improving digestion because of its high fiber and protein content. It may not be appealing to everyone because of its strong odor, but it is an important part of Japanese cuisine and appreciated by those who enjoy its uniqueness. Odin, another traditional Japanese food that is made up of many ingredients. Odin is simmered in tofu, fish cakes, eggs, and seasoned broth. During the cold months, this is a popular meal to have in the country since it's a warm comfort food. Since there is a wide range of ingredients for Odin, it is cooked depending on personal or regional preferences. Konnyaku, a jelly-like substance made from yam starch, and mochi, a type of sticky rice cake, are two popular Odin additions. This popular food is actually accessible at food stalls or convenience stores, especially in the winter months in the country. Since it is served in a communal pot, it is usually shared with families or friends and better served with beer or sake. Taiyaki. Taiyaki is a traditional Japanese snack made of fish-shaped cake filled with sweet red bean paste. The cake is made from a batter similar to pancake batter and baked in a fish-shaping mold. While red bean paste is the most common filling for taiyaki, custard, chocolate, and cheese have also gained popularity in recent years. Taiyaki is a popular Japanese street food that is frequently sold at food stalls and festivals. It is popular with both children and adults and is available all year, though it is especially popular during the colder months. In addition to its delicious taste, taiyaki is known for its adorable and distinctive shape, which is inspired by a type of fish known as tai. The fish shape and red bean filling make taiyaki a popular and iconic Japanese snack. Melon Pan, a sweet Japanese bread that is similar to a cantaloupe or melon and named after its appearance is the Melon Pan. The country's most popular snack is bread, which is usually served with coffee or tea. After molding it into a melon, it is baked until it is golden brown to achieve the crunchy outer layer and fluffy inside. I know you were expecting a melon flavor, but you can eat it warm with sweet toppings like custard or chocolate, or even plain. Since its appearance in the late 1800s, it has gained popularity and today is available widely in convenience stores and bakeries. The unique appearance and sweet taste make it a popular snack in Japan, even though there is no melon flavor. Okonomi Iaki, a savory Japanese pancake mixed with noodles, meat, seafood, cabbage, and dashi, is called Okonomi Iaki. This popular street food in Japan means grilled as you like it, which is where its name comes from and translates to okonomiyaki. Based on its popularity, there are many regional variations. In Osaka, it's typically made with sliced pork belly and a lot of cabbage, while in Hiroshima, it is made with seafood or thinly sliced pork with noodles. There is also a mixed version of Osaka and Hiroshima, which is called modanyaki. Although it is often served as a meal, it is also a popular snack at events or festivals in Japan because of its hearty and delicious dish. It is actually available in a lot of Japanese restaurants worldwide because of its popularity. Wagyu Beef. High quality, rich in flavor, and with its marbled texture, this obviously shows that this specific beef is premium. The name Wagyu simply means Japanese cow. The reason for its quality is that these cattle are raised to produce their distinct characteristics in a specific manner. A stress-free environment with plenty of room to roam, and being fed a special diet with barley and grains like corn are just a few reasons why these animals have such high quality. The juicy and tender mixture with rich, buttery flavor comes from this specific handle, which produces a high level of marbling in the meat. Graded from A3 to A5, with A5 being the highest quality, the beef is evaluated for its texture, marbling, color, and overall quality. The grading system is for the consumers to select their specific requirements to the highest quality. Steak is a popular way to eat Wagyu beef, but you can also try it with sukiyaki, a beef and vegetable dish, or a shabu shabu, a hot pot. Because of the delicate beef handling and its high quality, this popular food is considered as a luxury food. Ramen and Sushi. Having ramen in Japan is definitely an experience you should not miss. Sure, you've tasted at your nearest Japanese restaurant, but did you know there are different types in some regions? Some of the popular versions are shoyu ramen from Tokyo, tonkotsu ramen from Fukuoka, and miso ramen from Hokkaido. We all know Japan serves fresh ingredients, so they make their noodles from scratch as well. On the other hand, having sushi in Japan is a must experience since it provides numerous benefits to sushi lovers. The high-quality fresh seafood makes it even more enjoyable to eat sushi. When they mean they serve fresh, these fish are caught locally daily or a day before to give a maximum flavor and freshness. And when you eat at a sushi restaurant in this country, you'll learn Japanese etiquette and its culture. From the way you enter the restaurant to the way you eat, these traditions are carefully observed, making it a remarkable and authentic experience. Overall, trying a variety of Japanese foods can be fun, educational, and a delectable experience that will broaden your culinary horizons and increase your appreciation of Japanese culture. Would you dare to try one of the world's most dangerous foods, Fugu? Or how about some high-quality Wagyu beef? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you'll love our next one. Click here to check it out.